What is up, guys? I'm back, and this is part 2 of A Day in Nature.
Kind of.
Because we had to, wait because it was
dark.
Yeah, it was getting dark, so we had to go. But,
I'm here again.
and of course, this time, I might actually be the cameraman.
Yeah.
See, me right here? Yeah, you should know. I have no clue why I just did that. Alright. Okay. Come on, let's start jogging.
Guys, last time we were over that fence. But
Yeah.
now we're walking to the actual one. That's why it's called part 2. We just got
Yeah.
the end of the video, said stuff that we're doing part 2. And then we're off.
Yep.
We just went swimming
Yeah, we just went swimming less than 15 minutes ago.
so
Right now.
I'm actually kind of drowned up.
Yeah, me too. Hold up.
So we're the other side of the fence and we're gonna play.
Look at that. Okay. Gotta be something in here somewhere. No, I mean something. Yeah, I guess frogs. Look at that plant. Those things hurt. Well, not that bad, but you know what I meant. Shanks you. No, I think I saw you throw that rock. You're trying to be cheeky. Really? Okay, we gotta go back down. Hey, there's a frog right there. Ow. Just got stabbed by that. I lost him.
This doesn't really hurt.
No, whenever you run into it with your leg, it hurts. Yeah. What was that?
I'm making sound.
Look at all them sticker bushes. It would suck to be trapped in there. Let's speed up. You know, because, of course, we're on the time limit. This water's a lot clearer. But I bet you there isn't that much stuff.
If we go past the time limit, then we'll probably, which is 15 minutes, we'll probably...
It won't be able to upload.
Probably.
It won't let me upload.
Like we did the Chucky video.
Yeah. Alright.
But, we had to freaking, we had to sit back with the thing.
Yeah, we had to sit back with talkies. Really? Man, there are so many of those plants. I have no clue what they call them. I'm gonna search that up.
Is it like water of some sort if you jump over there?
I'm gonna just jump right here.
Jump over there.
Right now I'm on a drain pipe. Nope, not that much water. You got it. Lands right there.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright.
No, not that much. It's probably
Yeah.
moist.
Yeah, it's moist.
More like noise.
Moist, really, Vinny?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm going back. I'm gonna need to put my hand in a
I'll go
little.
first.
Well, he said I'm gonna go first. I just went first. Okay, whatever. Man. Actually, I'm thinking I might actually add subtitles to this.
Back to the video.
All right. We're just watching the water. Man, got stabbed again by those plants. Really need to watch out. Okay. It's actually surprising. Wow. Hold up. Look at that flower. I like that flower. That purple flower right there. Yeah. It's actually really cool. Really? Vinny, it's time to stop. Okay. Vinny. Oh gosh, now there's thorns. Okay, let's actually hurry up now though. You know, because once again, we're on a schedule. the hell? Whoa! Whoa, that's a snake!
Oh,
Wow!
shit. Bruh, I seen it.
I'm so happy we caught that on camera. I hope y'all guys saw that.
I seen a
That
snake
was
on
cool.
Whoa.
That was a water moccasin. Man, those things are dangerous. That was one of the only reasons why I didn't go after it. Whoa! What was that? I just saw something else pop up.
Let's go.
Wow.
We're almost there,
It's almost
guys.
like
We're almost there.
It's almost like the farther we get from civilization, the more stuff we get. Man,
We're right here.
I can't believe I just caught 2 animals on camera. The other one, I didn't even know what that was. Man. Another one of them flowers.
Like I'm dancing on a penis.
Really?
Just imagine that. Dancing on a penis. Fuck. I heard that one of these firefighters that lives on our street goes fishing back here, but he won't pay it. He won't mind.
Yeah.
He's going back here.
Alright, right here, this is all marsh.
Yo, I like that part.
Look at that container right there. Probably can barely see it because of glare. Okay, trying to keep the camera still, but at the same time running. Hold up! Look! I want to show you something! Hey, look, there's a dock right here. Man, looks like it's been here for quite a while. Wow, look at all that foam. Huh, thought there was something behind me. Alright, see if we can get any gators. Yep, clearly no gators. Okay guys, let me just move this plant out of the way. Hold up! Wow! Looks fun, but at the same time, it's probably very dangerous. I don't trust this, but I'm gonna go ahead and trust it. Try to trust it at least. Wow, this feels really weird.
Just imagine jumping out and just
Man, I wonder how many turtles.
No, guys! Hey, climb here.
Look at all of this.
Climb here so, like, people can see it.
I bet you there are a ton of turtles right here. You're crazy. I'm not climbing up there. Just kidding. For the video, I will. Nope. I will not. I am afraid of heights. I'm sorry, people. I know y'all are probably thinking right now, whoop, he pumped out quick. And I did. Yeah, I don't really like heights. But, are you parkour? Now, we're at the start of the levee. Wow, look how beautiful. Look at this marsh. We need to show you this. Wow, look in there. We might actually go in there. Wow, look at that though. I bet you there are probably a lot of turtles in there. That's just straight marsh.
We'll be making videos daily.
I'm gonna try to.
Look, guys.
Whoa!
All these bullets.
He just found a whole bunch of bullets. Someone's been shooting back here. Okay, well, let's go on. Oh, you want to collect the bullets? All right. Well, the bullet casings. I'm gonna just put this in my pocket. Wow, I don't have pockets to put in. Can you put it in? Oh God, that sounds wrong. All right, Still,
Especially from the shape of the hole.
I'm still amazed how,
Just imagine we were parkouring on that pipe right there.
like, imagine how beautiful.
Right there.
I've tried something like that once. Ah, man. Yeah, it's pretty long.
So, this is pretty much, we came back here like a couple times here and there.
Yeah, see, sometimes come back here. Man, you know what? Let's go into those woods that we saw. That looks really cleared out. And it has shade so you guys can see a lot better. Okay, right now we're hitting the 11-minute mark. Look at those blackberries. Well, I saw only a couple, but they weren't even ripe.
I didn't even see no blackberries.
Really? They were all the way in the back.
What? Not telling me.
Really?
I'm starving.
Let me take a selfie. Yeah, we're both starving, actually. Man. Still, look at that scenery. Okay, we're going into these woods. I'm gonna pause it so we can go there a little bit faster. Okay, guys. He just now seen an alligator somewhere over there. Yeah.
I've seen it go underwater.
Oh, man. I'm surprised it didn't make much noise. All right, well, back to the woods thing. Here we are, guys, in the woods.
I see any bandits.
Look at this rope.
Or
Feels pretty old. Wow, look. Taking an up-close picture of the water.
guys, this is pretty good stuff.
Yeah, look at those rocks. Well, that probably cement.
Blue. I think I had a yellow.
That looks man-made. Okay, guys, let's go deeper into the woods. Well, I'm going to try to keep the camera on for as much as I can because I don't want to catch anything that comes out of sight really quickly. Yeah, I'd definitely hit the record button if there was an alligator chasing us, though. Hold on, I thought I heard some. Wow, look. Hey, that's a four-wheeler. That's neat. Wow. This is just so beautiful. So beautiful. Really? Do it. 3, 2, 1. You failed. It busted whenever it hit the ground. Wow. Broken tree limb here. Man. Wow. All right, looks like the path is going away. It's pretty cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just go back here. Man, it's just so beautiful and calm.
This is probably a glass.
Yeah, that's a glass. Alright, hold up. You hold the camera real quick. Alright.
14 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
Back up.
I think we're past our time limit,
Alright,
but
hold
it's
up.
good. Okay.
Alright, yeah, I failed. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. We have to go. Gotham, say bye.